Kia ora, friends! Today it's a little bit wet, so I think we're going to be inside because it's a little bit cold. Today I have an activity for you that is full of magic. This is what you're going to need. A torch, head torch, but it can be any torch. Some mirrors, empty jars, food coloring, and ideally, if you have one of those, it will help you. Or maybe your mom has something similar that you can use. There we go. You're going to need to add some warm water. Just a little bit. And you're going to add as well some oil. Just a bit. Then, first of all, with the torch, you're going to explore the shadows. Look at the shadows of the different jars projected on the wall. You can play as well with the mirrors, moving the torch up and down. And now we're going to add different colors. By placing the mirror against the jar, I can play with the torch and I can see the reflection on the wall. And it changes all the green. I can also put the mirror down. And see how the jar reflects onto the mirror. As you can see, there are endless possibilities to play with shadows, colors, jars, and mirrors. And you can also pick up some flowers or just some leaves, herbs from your garden, like these ones, or any that you might have close to your home, and try to put them as well in the jars. I can't wait to see some of your creations. Take some pictures and share with the rest of us. Ka kite!